Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please hit the like and subscribe button. So in this video, I'm going to teach you mathematical investigation. But before that, why do we need to learn mathematical investigation? Learning mathematical investigation can foster critical thinking, problem solving, and logical reasoning. It enables us to develop, explore pattern, make conjecture, and analyze deep understanding about a mathematical concept. So mathematical investigation, it refers to the sustained exploration of a mathematical situation, distinguishes itself from problem solving because it's an open-ended. In short, mathematical investigation just they give you a situation and then you're going to analyze, make a pattern from a given situation. So here are the steps in doing a mathematical investigation. The first step is statement of the problem, organize and record data, gestating or taking a break, make a conjecture, verify the conjecture, justify the conjecture, and the last is summarize. So let's apply all these steps on a given situation. So the first step is statement of the problem. If we have an equation, you have a 10,000 that you want to invest for 5 years, but you have two options. The option A, offer an annual interest of 4%, while option B, offer annual interest of 5%. What would be the higher future value after 5 years? So if you have a 10,000 that you want to invest for 5 years, what would be the best option for the annual interest of 4% or annual interest of 5%? So what would be the higher future value between the two? So let's proceed to the step 2, which is organize and record data. So P is our present value, R is the rate, T is the time. So for option A, the present value is 10,000, the rate is 4%, the time is 5 years. For option B, the present value is 10,000, the rate is 5%, and the time is 5 years. So what would be the higher future value between the two options? So the step 3 is gestating or taking a break. So it is optional. So the fourth step is make a conjecture. Using the formula, we can calculate the future value or the FB for option A and B by substituting the given into the formula. FB equal future value and P, which is our present value, R is the rate, and T is the time. So future value equal to P, which is our present value, quantity 1 plus R, which is our rate, raised to T, which is our time. So the fifth step is verify the conjecture. So for option A, let P present value equal to 10,000, R equal to 4%, T is equal to 5 years. So the formula we're going to use is future value equal to present value times 1 plus rate raised to T, which is our time. Then substitute the given into the formula, which is the present value is 10,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.04 raised to 5. So where do we get 0.04? We convert our rate into the decimal by dividing 4% divide by 100, we get 0.04. For option B, P equal to 10,000, which is a present value, R 5%, T is the 5 years. So the formula we're going to use is future value equal to present value multiplied by 1 plus our rate raised to T, which is our time. And then substitute the given into the formula, which is present value is 10,000 plus 1 plus 0.05 by converting the percent into the decimal raised to 5. So the next step is justify the conjecture. So for option A, FB equal to present value multiplied by 1 plus rate raised to time. So you done already in step 5 by substituting the given into the formula. And justify the conjecture, we need to calculate the total future value of the option A. So 12,166.55. You can just input this into the calculator. For option B, 10,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.05 raised to 5, we get 12,762.81. So option A future value is 12,166.52, while option B future value is 12,762.81. So the last step is summary. Comparing the two options, we can see that option B yields a higher future value after 5 years, because option A future value is 12,166.52, while option B is 12,762.82. Therefore, based on the interest rate, option B would be the better choice.